Hi everyone. Today we are solving one more question from the leetCode itself. The question is immediate food delivery. Let's see what is the question. The customer preferred delivery date is the same date as order date, then the order is immediate, otherwise it called as schedule. The first order of customer. Okay, so we have to check the first order of customer and the output should be rounded to two decimal. That's what the question says. So what does the question say? Whenever we have a delivery date is equal to, that is the order date is equal to customer preferred date, then it's immediate delivery, right? Otherwise, if the dates are not matching, then it's scheduled one. So we have to find out the average values of the immediate delivery percentage, and that should be rounded to two decimal. And there is one more trick. If you see customer IDs are repeating, the customer ID should be the minimum date value, first order we can say, right? Okay, so what will be the approach, guys, in this case? The approach will be very easy. Let's find out the customer ID and the order date, or I can say minimum order date first. Okay, let me write this code. Select customer ID, comma, minimum of order date, order date, I can say as order date from the table called delivery, right? Okay, let's see the output for this code first. Oh, sorry. So what I forgot, guys, here, it should be group by, right? Because we are aggregating a aggregated column, we are combining with the non-aggregated column, so it should be group by this thing. Okay, let me keep this aside for as of now. Okay, so we are having a customer and order date. So what we will do it, there are two approaches to solve this question now. We can use this table as a derived table and join on the initial table, or we can use this subquery. So I usually prefer to doing subquery. Let me do it in a subquery. So I'll keep this in. Okay. So let me control Z and control V. Okay. Let's write the logic first. Select. So what we need an average value, right? Average of what? See, order date should be matching with what was the field name? Customer preferred delivery date, right? So order date should be matching with customer preferred delivery date. So this is give me the average value that should be multiplied by 100 because the outputs are in a percentage, right? So I'm multiplied by 100, and if you guys read the question, they're asking us to have the rounded two decimal values, right? So let me take this into the round, then comma 2 as what output it was expecting. The naming convention is immediate percentage. Okay, so I can say from my this table where, right? So where, how this should be going, guys? Where customer ID. So whenever I'm having two values in the subquery, so I'm going to be put in this way. Let's run this code and see what is out. Okay, so output are coming as expected, guys. Let's try to submit this and see the output. Okay, super. So we can able to see that we are able to successfully return the code. And what I was saying that if you guys don't be comfortable in the putting this subquery, what you can do it, take this as a something called as a table, then put an inner join with the delivery table as on condition, right? So what will be the condition? Customer ID and order date, right? The both thing has to be matched. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your time.